Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare GMC Canyon Elevation versus Toyota Tacoma. Let's start by looking at their performance. The Canyon comes with a powerful 2.7-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. The Tacoma's standard 2.4-liter turbocharged engine offers 278 horsepower. When it comes to towing, the Canyon leads with moving inside. Both trucks offer modern cabins, but with different philosophies. The GMC Canyon Elevation typically includes a large 11.3-inch diagonal infotainment touchscreen, providing a more integrated digital experience. The Toyota Tacoma offers an 8-inch or an available 14-inch touchscreen display. The Canyon generally presents a more refined interior with premium materials, focusing on comfort. In contrast, the Tacoma emphasizes a durable and practical cabin, built to withstand rugged adventures. When it comes to off-road capability, both trucks excel, but with distinct approaches. The GMC Canyon offers advanced off-road trims, such as the AT4X, designed for extreme terrain with specialized features. The Toyota Tacoma's TRD Pro is legendary for its exceptional off-road prowess, featuring systems like multi-terrain select and crawl control. On paved roads, the Canyon generally provides a smoother, more car-like ride, while the Tacoma delivers a robust, truck-like feel, especially when venturing off the beaten path. Ultimately, choosing between the GMC Canyon Elevation and the Toyota Tacoma depends on your priorities. The Canyon often provides strong value with its powerful standard engine and comprehensive features, appealing to those seeking a blend of capability and refinement. The Tacoma, on the other hand, is celebrated for its legendary reliability and consistently high resale value, making it a solid long-term investment. For those who prioritize ruggedness and a proven off-road heritage, the Tacoma is a strong contender. Don't forget to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.